Hi, hello, my name is Chase McLeod. My presentation's on AZT. And so my first slide is about AZT and its use in treating HIV and AIDS. AZT, as we all know, is a medicine now, is used to treat people with HIV and AIDS. It slows down the spread of the virus in the body and stops it from getting worse. AZT works by stopping the reverse transcriptase enzyme in the virus. This makes it difficult for the virus to grow and spread. AZT needs to be converted by the body into AZT triphosphate before it can be used to treat HIV. It's important to note that AZT is not a cure and that it only helps control the virus and improve the health of people with HIV and AIDS. So my next slide is about conversion. Is it gonna pop? Conversion of AZT to AZT triphosphate. So AZT needs to be converted into a special form by our body's enzyme called nucleoside kinases. This new form is called AZT triphosphate. AZT triphosphate is the active form of AZT and can stop the virus from replicating. Nucleoside kinases plays an important role in converting AZT into a form that can effectively fight the virus. And then again, without this conversion process, AZT would not be effective for treatment for people who have HIV/AIDS. Next thing I'm going to touch on is inhibition of HIV's reverse transcriptase. So again, it needs to be converted to AZT triphosphate in the body to work. And as we stated again in the last slide, AZT triphosphate stops the HIV virus from replicating. The virus has an enzyme called reverse transcriptase that AZT triphosphate targets. So by stopping the virus from replicating, AZT triphosphate helps reduce the amount of virus in the body, which again helps the improvement or the health of people with HIV and AIDS. Next, we're going to talk about the specificity towards HIV's reverse transcriptase. So kind of things I'm still repeating. The reason I repeat them is they're all of this links, and so me repeating certain slides is just showing you how they all link. So to continue from there, it stops the virus from spreading by targeting a specific part of the virus called reverse transcriptase, as we talked about. The body converts AZT into a form called AZT triphosphate, active form of the drug. AZT triphosphate only targets reverse transcriptase of the virus and does not harm normal parts of the body. This makes it safe, AZT a safe treatment option, and by stopping reverse transcriptase, we stop the virus from spreading, and again, this helps the health. So the next slide I kind of talked about was reduction of viral load. The body turns AZT and AZT triphosphate, which we know to fight the virus. It stops the virus from replicating by blocking a key enzyme. So lowering the viral load helps individuals stay healthier, which reduces the risk of spreading the virus. It makes other HIV and AIDS medicines work better. So the overall summary that I got from this project is that AZT, also known as Retrovir, is a medicine used to treat HIV and AIDS. It stops the virus from spreading by blocking its ability to infect the cell. The body helps the medicine work better by converting it into AZT triphosphate. This makes AZT very important for treating HIV and AIDS and helping those affected by this disease or illness. And next should be my references from what I used. Thank you all for listening. Chase McLeod again, signing out.